Getting my life together.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Going out so hot, just like an oven.
So okay, step one for this getting my life together for 2023. I will be taking these nails off. Yes, as y'all can see, this is my nail, my current nails. My nail is like I would say a square shape of my nails, and what is this? A French tip with pink. I've been having this since November, at the end of November. What the heck? And I would say today is January the 15th. Today is the Sunday, and I've been having this since November, and it's on me. None of it is lifting my nail. It's kind of crazy. This thing, my nails stay on long, and I don't know why. Because I'm gonna wait in the new year with the new nails. And I probably have my nails for rest for a minute before I put on any acrylic nails on me, but I do want to start putting press on nails. But yeah, I'm gonna go and take this off, and I'll be showing y'all.
Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Happy Boy Radio. We love you.
Y'all, I've been trying to take this nail off for like the past 2 days, I would say. Literally, it's not coming off right now. I don't know why, but we're probably gonna finish that up later on. I just want to like come over here and say that for this year, for 2023, I want to journal more. I really want to journal more, and I got this book from Michael's. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I did like a back to school haul, like books and supplies, and I got this, and I will be using it for my journal because you know they got the lines. Oh, y'all can see it. Got the lines and stuff. I think it'd be so much better for me if I go journal and put everything, like what's in my head, what's in my head, how I'm feeling mentally, Ooh. So yeah, I got this, and I want to read more, of course, and I still got this book. Y'all saw my Black Friday haul. It in with us. I got this book from Amazon. I want to read more, so me giving me some more books, and that's my goal for 2023. And the first book is gonna be this one. But yeah, I'm gonna start journal. I might go start like, I don't know. I want to start journaling like the days what happened on that day, or how I feel about that day. So yeah, I feel like gonna start. I just wanna like familiar with, like, I don't know, today it was alright for me. It was alright. Didn't want to wake up to go to work, but it was fine. But anyway, oh yeah, and I got this highlight markers from Michael's. Got it, which is pretty cute. It's cute. It's so cute. There you go. So like little design on my journal, because sometimes journal can't be going, and I want to sparkle up on my journal book.
it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know those key, I'm gonna always do the low ones. Don't see if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacement's on the way, please don't break. That pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no drink, cold up, don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving soft, it's calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it plays in my eyes. I could lie, I committed a crime. Why you belong, you won't save your spot. Can't be outside, cause I'm not getting too high.
First of all, I feel like I have not talked to y'all in a minute in this video. Y'all been rushing me doing everything in this video for my 2023 reset. Not with teen. I don't know. We gotta figure out the title for it. But I gotta go make my 2023 vision board. My picture had finally came in. I feel like 100 or 100 more of these pictures, but yeah. Can't wait. And I'll show y'all the board that I got from Michael's. All the goody stuff I put on the sticker. Not on the sticker, on the all the other stuff that I'm gonna put on the vision board. It's all right here. That's why I started this star. And I got the picture and my vision board. Let's do this thing.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, it's so nice. Baby, and we don't mind all the watching. Cause if it's dirty close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. She's so fine. I be on my suicide shit. I be on my suicide shit. Let me show you what you think. Let me show you what you think. Stop. Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so thick. Now I know what it called being a fatty. And oh, shit's so sick. Gotta hit and pick up a habit.
Okay, y'all, that's pretty much it for today's video. As you can see, I finished my vision board, which I am so happy about because I put little Wildstone on it and this little sticker star that y'all saw me that I put on my vision board. I had to make 2 vision boards because I have a lot of pictures. So this is my first vision board, which I freaking in love with it so much. I love it. And this is my second one. It pretty much a lot of quotes on here. And a lot of, you know, self-care, health, growth, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, business. And I put myself out of the way. And I could see because they say that if you wanna actually reach your goals, make sure that you put a picture of yourself and put on the vision board for, you know, actually you on the vision board that you wanna, you know, cherish your moment. I pretty much like it right here, but yeah, I hope that 2023 is treating y'all so well as far in January. Y'all make it visible on your phone and on your laptop, because that's what I did. I make it on my computer, I made it out on the board, and I made it on my iPhone. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Anyway, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. That's pretty much it for the video, and I hope you had a wonderful, beautiful day. See you. Mwah.